Hello, and welcome back to the next video in the Magnet Construct app instructional video series. In this video, we will demonstrate how to upload, download, and visualize data to Magnet Enterprise web services. From any web browser, log into Magnet Enterprise. Once you are logged in, visit the ribbon to see the variety of options available. We will focus on the Data Manager in this session, so click Data Manager. Now, navigate to your project folder and appropriate inbox. You should see project files listed if a previous upload has taken place. To upload a file from your computer to Enterprise, click the upload icon and browse to your file you wish to upload. Select the file you wish to upload and click OK. Then verify you have checked the desired project inbox. Once verified, click Upload. When the upload is complete, you can now download, share, or view your file when logged into Magnet Enterprise. To download the file from your project inbox, select the file, then click the download icon. Next, select the location on your computer for your file, then click Save. When the download is complete, you will receive a Magnet alert message. To see the data of a file that is uploaded in Enterprise, pick the file that contains GNSS data and select the map icon. A new window for the map appears, separate from the Data Manager. You can now see your data, overlying a Google Earth image. All points, lines, and other features in the file can be displayed. Take some time to explore the many other functions of Magnet Enterprise that allows you to manage your project tasks, budget, schedule, and much more. Stay tuned for additional videos that cover these time and cost-saving features offered in Magnet Enterprise.